How to download Expedia on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to download Expedia on your Android device, what you're gonna do is, first of all, go to Play Store. Now in the bottom of the page, you can see the option search. Tap on it and then search for Expedia. After you do that, you can see Expedia over here. Tap on it. Now, what you're gonna do is tap on install, which is right over here. After you do that, wait for some time until the app is being installed, and you can also make sure that you have a stable internet connection in order to make the downloading easier, faster and more smooth. Now as you can see over here, the app is installed. Now if you simply tap on open, the app will be opened. So this is how you can download Expedia on your Android device. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.